This video explains how to copy and paste data from one sheet to another using VBA code. Here I have some data on sheet 1 and I want to copy this data from sheet 1 and paste it on sheet 2. So let's see how we can do this in VBA. I will select the developer tab and in insert I will select command button in ActiveX control and drag a small button here. I will double click on this command button so that I can write some code, and when I click on button I want data to be copied from sheet 1 and paste it on sheet 2. So I will double click here and I will write some code here. I have already written the VBA code, so let me copy and paste this code. Now to copy and paste data using VBA, there are four basic steps. First step is to select the data. Second is copy this data. Then activate the sheet where we want to paste this data and select the cell where we want to paste this data. So let me explain this code line by line. We can see here that we have data from C2 to C5. Maybe sometime we have more data, so we need to check from C2 onwards how many cells have data. So what I have done, I have selected the range from C2 to the cell where we have data. This code sheet1 dot cells 2 comma 3, 2 is the row, 3 is the column, and this says C2. From C2 to I am counting the total cells in C column where we have data, then selecting the data, then I am activating sheet 2 by this code, then I am selecting cell 1 which is A1 on sheet 2, and by this line I am pasting the data. So let me close this window. Now I will click on the button. This time button is in design mode, so I will click on the design mode again and click on command button. We can see that data has been copied from sheet 1 and pasted on sheet 2. So this is how we can write some code on the click